How to sign in Hotmail email account. So if you want to sign in to your Hotmail email account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Hotmail, or you can also search for Outlook. It's basically the same thing. And after searching for that, here you will have Outlook login. Click on that. And now you can go for sign in, which is here on the upper right. Click on that sign in. And after clicking on sign in, here you need to enter your email address on the first blank. So enter your email address. But if you don't have an account, then you can go for create one, and then you can create your account. But if you already have an account, then enter your email address and click on next. And here you need to enter your password. So if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. Click on forgot password, and or you can also go for email code to your email address, so that after entering your code you don't need to enter your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then click on sign in. And now if you want to stay signed in to your laptop or your PC, then click on this and then click on yes. And now you have been logged into your Outlook or your Hotmail. So that's it. That's how you log into your Hotmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.